Hello, good evening everyone. Today I have come with some new problems on ages. These are common in any competitive exam like bank, rail, SSC, for any entrance exam as well like MBA. So I normally come with new videos in every alternate days, but I'll try to be more frequent. So if you find these videos useful, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I'll put some new videos, you get the notification. Okay, so let's start today's problem. First problem. The age of father is thrice of his son. If the sum of their age is 48 years, what is the age of the father? It's an easy one. Suppose the age of the son is x, then the age of the father will be 3x, definitely, because the age of the father is thrice the age of his son. Then this is son and this is father. Sum of their age is 48 years, that is x plus 3x is equal to 48. Therefore 4x is equal to 48. Okay, so x 48 divided by 4, that is 12 years. Here the age of the son is, that is s, age of the son is 12 years. So age of the father is 12 multiplied by 3, that is 36 years. So here 36 will be the answer. Okay, next. Number 2. Money is double the age of Prabhu. Rima is half the age of Prabhu. If money is 60, then find the age of Rima. So money is double the age of Prabhu. If money is 60, then M stands for money. Money's age is 60 and money is double the age of Prabhu. Then Prabhu's age is 30 as money is double the age of Prabhu. That is, Prabhu's age is 30 and if we double it, then we'll get money's age. Okay, and so here P stands for Prabhu and Rima is half the age of Prabhu. So here Rima is half the age of Prabhu. That means Rima's age is half of Prabhu's age, that is 30 by 2, that is 15 years will be the answer. So here Rima, R stands for Rima, Rima's age is 15 years. Okay, next. Nikhil is 8 years younger than his brother Rohan. How old will Rohan be when he is twice as old as Nikhil? Suppose here Nikhil's age is x years. Okay, so Nikhil is 8 years younger than his brother Rohan. So here Rohan's age is, Rohan is definitely the elder brother, so his age is more than Nikhil's age. So his age is x plus 8 years. Okay, so this is true, this x is a variable. Okay, this is true for all ages. Suppose now Nikhil's age is 0, so Rohan's age is 0 plus 8, that is 8 years. Now suppose now Nikhil's age is 12 years, then Rohan's age is 12 plus 8, that is 20 years. So here x is a variable and it varies. Okay, how old will Rohan be? How old will Rohan be when he is twice as old as Nikhil? So Rohan's age will remain x plus 8. Okay, and here Rohan's age will be twice as old as Nikhil. So Rohan's age will be twice the age of Nikhil. This is the problem. We need to solve it out. So here x plus 8 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 8. Okay. So x is the age of Nikhil, right? So if the age of Nikhil is x years, then age of Rohan will be x plus 8, that is 8 plus 8, that is 16 years. So here Rohan's age will be 16 years, that is D will be the answer. Here comes the most interesting one. Tarun's age is the cube of a whole number. It was square of another whole number 2 years ago. How long he must wait before his age is again the cube of a whole number? Tarun's age is cube of a whole number. See, here we need to consider the whole numbers between 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Because cube of a whole number is Tarun's current age. Okay? Now the age of Tarun is cube of a whole number. If we consider 1, then 1's cube is 1, 2's cube is 8, 3's cube is 27, 4's cube is 64. If we consider 5 as a whole number here, then 5's cube is 125. So here 125 cannot be the age of any human being. So here we should not consider 5. Okay, we should consider only between 1 and 4. Okay. Now it was square of another whole number 2 years ago. Tarun's age was square of another whole number 2 years ago. Now if 1 is the current age, then 2 years ago Tarun did not even take birth. Okay. Now if Tarun's age is now 8 years, then 2 years ago his age was 6 years. 6 is not the square of a whole number. So this we shouldn't consider. Now if now Tarun's age is 27 years, so 2 years back his age was 25. So here 25 is the square of another whole number 5. 25 is equal to 5 square, that is 25 is the another square of another whole number, that is 5. 5 square is 25 and Tarun's age is the cube of a whole number. So cube of a whole number, that is 3 is cubed. So if Tarun's current age is 27, then 2 years back Tarun's age was 25, which is square of another whole number, that is 5. Okay, 5 square is 25. How long he must wait before his age is again the cube of a whole number? So now Tarun's age is 27. So to reach to the age of a cube of another whole number, cube of another whole number is 64 and the whole number is here 4. So to reach the cube of another whole number, how long he needs to wait? Here his current age is 27 and so to reach at the age of 64, how he needs to wait, how long? 64 minus 27, that is 37 years. Okay, so here he needs to wait 37 years to be the age of 64, which is again the cube of a whole number, that is 4. So here 37 will be the answer. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with some new videos very soon. Till then, bye-bye.